In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix blank icons on your Windows. So let's get started. So if some of the desktop icons right here are blank, then it's just as easy to fix. Press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. And here you need to simply type app data. It's app data and click on OK. And here you'll find these folders local, local low, and roaming. In case you cannot find this, click on the view and then here click on show and click on the hidden items. Okay. And then here you need to double click on the local folder and then simply scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the icon cache. Make a right click and then select delete. Okay. Once you have deleted the icon cache, close this and then right click at the start button and then you have to open task manager. Maximize this. In the search bar, simply type Explorer and then right click on Windows Explorer and then select restart. So once you have restarted Windows Explorer, then that's it. That will fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.